Notice these two dressed up. I couldn't catch them though. We're looking for that Italian piazza down this way, I think it is. Look how nice though, the buildings. I'm guessing it's down this way. Looks like a really big building down here. How to get lost in Trieste? Can't go through there. Ooh, I'm just happy walking around because there's so many places here. We're on the way to the Piazza Italia. Oh, so much traffic. I think I'm doing right. I'll keep on going. More crossings, guys. Oh, these are tunnels there. I'm going to go up there, I think. So this is the way to the Piazza Italia. I think I'm going to go up those stairs to that garden on the top. If it don't tip down a frame. Supposed to be down this direction. Oh, very dark over there. Oh, this is the time to come in the summer of this place, I think. Wow, look at the clouds there. Oh, that's interesting. Piece of sculpture. Ring around, I found the Roman amphitheater. I'm on the way to the Piazza d'Italia, in that direction somewhere. I'm not sure if you can get in there. Some stairs going down, but you can see everything you want from here. Look, there's like doorways into the side there. Plenty of these plain buildings around. So I'm not sure what it's called, this. I'll put it underneath. It's like an amphitheater. Let's keep going, guys. Are we going the right way?
Piazza Unità d'Italia.
We made it, guys. There it is. And the cruise ship's down there as well. Massive square. What the hell is this? Wow, what a big square. Let's put Google away. Here we are, guys. Piazza Unità Italia. When I come across what these places are. I'll be putting the names on, but look at that evil sky. Steve, you're gonna get wet? I think so. This is the seafront here. Seems like there's about 2 or 3 cruise ships in most days. Sky looks evil over there. Hey, we were on video, guys. Time lapse. Up there is the church on the top there. Oh, you can see it just past that lamppost, straight in front. And also there's a cave or something up there, so if we can make it, we'll try and go up there. Couple of cruise ships. I think there's like a pier going out. I'm not too sure where. Oh, here it is. It's the pier here. Let's go over there, guys. We can cross here. We can go over the pier, and we'll finish the video on the pier before the lights change. You see, it's a little. We go on the seafront. No, I can't guarantee the sea. Oh, it's going out, is it? Or am I seeing? I thought it was moving. No, it's still roped up. Let's go on the pier. Anyway, there's the square. Biggest square or something in Italy. It's always the biggest and the best, and that's the biggest cave in Europe, the biggest piazza, or old mortar. Oh, there's some sailors here and a fisherman. Oh wow, look at this, look at the water. The women are doing the knitting and the bloke is with the flag. I'm going to go out on this, guys, see how far we get. Anyway, there's the square. There's some kind of cathedral on the top there somewhere, behind that piazza. So I did a lost in from the Canal Grande to the Piazza Italia, and we're not sure what this pier is. Ooh. Deadly with those fishing rods, have to be careful. Many churches here, guys. I lost count of the churches and chapels. Oh, it's massive here. How nice. See the full Norwegian star. And there's like a small tower over there, like a clock tower. He's small for the camera. I didn't see the sun all day. Anyway, we're going to go to the end. Lots of ships out there, I've been noticing. We can say, guys, together, we went on the longest pier in the world. See what the view of the city is from up here. What's happened to the sunny skies? Really blowing out here. Steve, where are you taking us? We'll take a run at the end. Hey, the sky is a bit clearer over there. That's what we've got to do, run to the end and jump in. Thanks for joining me to the end, guys. Little bit of a Trieste tour, a lost in. Sure, we'll be doing a few other little ones as I'm walking around. I wonder what they're like docked out there, those. We're gonna make it to the end before the wind blows us off. There you can see it on the hill. Yeah, I'm going to try and go over there. It's like a church. It's like a Catholic church that was made out of concrete, out of triangles or something. I've seen like bus 42 goes there, but also bus 42 goes to the this massive cave. It's supposed to be one of the biggest caves. Anyway, we're at the end, guys. Oh, nice. Blowing strong. We made it, guys. Take care. Englishman travel. Follow me, subscribe. Give me a few subscribers. I couldn't. Somebody asked me, Steve, you're going to do a live? I can't. They were, until you get 1,000, they won't let us. Probably they don't trust me. Even though it doesn't make any difference whether you've got other channels or not. Anyway, bye, guys. See you on the next video. There'll be a few more coming up. But I've got to have a holiday as well. I've have a break. I like it, Trieste, big city. I wouldn't come back again. And perhaps summer is the best time, sort of thing. Italian cities, they're interesting. They've got lovely big squares, a lot of history and things like that. But you can see the cruise ships. It's just for a day, really. You can see it. Actually, you could see everything in a day. It would be a hard day, but you could see everything in a day. Bye, guys. Take care.